all my dear classmates. I am Parvini Pandey and I am here to give my presentation on Krishi Vigyan Kendra KVK unit attachment. First of all, I want to introduce that what is KVK. KVK is an agricultural extension centers in India. It was established in the country to support rural farmers by passing on new technologies to them. The main task of KVK is to do job training and on-farm technical testing. अब मैं आप सबको ये बताना चाहती हूँ कि ऐसी क्या जरूरत पड़ गई कि हमें केवीके का एस्टैब्लिशमेंट करना पड़ा। जैसे कि हम सभी जानते हैं कि 1964 में ग्रीन रिवॉल्यूशन आया था, जिसकी वजह से हमारी कंट्री का ओवरऑल प्रोडक्शन जो है वो अचानक से इंक्रीज कर गया था, जिसकी वजह से जो और भी वैज्ञानिक थे, जितने भी साइंटिस्ट थे, उनके द्वारा नई नई टेक्निक्स और नई नई वेराइटीज़ का डेवलपमेंट और इनोवेशन हो रहा था। तो यहाँ दिक्कत ये आ रही थी कि जितनी भी टेक्नोलॉजीज़ हैं और वेराइटीज़ हैं उनको हम फार्मर्स तक, किसानों तक कैसे पहुँचाएँ। तो इसकी वजह से 1962 से लेकर 1972 तक यही मंथन चलता रहा कि हम लोग न्यू इनोवेशन जो कि एक लैब में, जो कि एक फील्ड में हम तैयार कर रहे हैं, उसको फार्मर्स तक कैसे पहुँचाएँ ताकि उन्हें भी इसका लाभ हो। तो उसकी वजह से एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ICAR और प्लानिंग कमीशन के द्वारा एक कमेटी बनाई गई थी अगस्त 1973 में, जिसमें ये डिसाइड हुआ था कि हमें केवीके का एस्टैब्लिशमेंट करना चाहिए। और ये डॉक्टर मोहन सिंह मेहता के द्वारा ये सजेस्ट किया गया केवीके का एस्टैब्लिशमेंट। अभी फिलहाल में हमारे देश में टोटल 731 केवीके हैं और जिसमें से 68 जो है वो हमारे उत्तर प्रदेश में प्रेजेंट है। अब मैं अपने टॉपिक पे आती हूँ। तो ऐसे तो हमने बहुत सारे लेक्चर्स को अटेंड किया है केवीके में, जिसमें से कुछ मैं यहाँ पे डिमॉन्स्ट्रेट करना चाहती हूँ। तो फर्स्टली वी हैव विजिटेड ऑटोमेटिक वेदर स्टेशन which is located behind the Southern Hospital, Ghazipur, under the supervision of Dr. Kapildev Sharma sir. In this session, we know about what is automatic weather stations, their components, their applications, and the different equipments that are generally used in it. Next, we have seen integrated farming system which is present in the KVK under the supervision of Dr. Shiv Kumar sir. In this session, we know about different types of farming system which have been practiced in the KVK, such as crop production, beekeeping, goat farming, aquaculture, dairy farming, etc., and the different ways in which they benefit each other. Next we are seeing soil testing laboratory, which is again present in KVK under the guidance of Dr. D.K. Singh sir. Some of the equipments which are used in the lab for the testing of soil are soil extract agar, flame photometer, soil testing kit, physical balance, etc. Next we have visited aromatic and medicinal plant garden in the KVK under the guidance of Dr. P.K. Singh sir. In this lecture we came to know about different varieties of plants such as Ashwagandha, Kalmeg, Sarvagandha, etc. and their use benefits as medicine and other applications too. Next, we have seen plant pathology laboratory in the KVK under the guidance of Dr. Omkar Singh sir. In this lecture, we know about the different types of equipments which are used for the diagnosis of particular disease, such as refrigerator, incubator, autoclave, laminar air flow, oven, etc. Next, we have seen vermicomposting activities in the KVK under the guidance of Dr. Omkar Singh sir. In this session, we know about the different steps which have been practiced for the preparation of vermicompost and different species of earthworm which is used in the preparation of vermicompost. In this vermicompost, the particular species which is used is Eusenia cordata, the main species which have been used in this vermicompost. We all have also organized one-day workshop on the topic New Trends in Agriculture under the supervision of Dr. G. Singh sir. This was organized by the students of BSc Agriculture 7th semester at the KVK Ghazipur. In this workshop, we have invited Honorable Shri Atendra Singh sir, who is the Deputy Director of Agriculture, as our chief guest, and all the respected professors and scientists from the Faculty of Agriculture. In this seminar, all the students have participated and given their introduction as well as a speech according to their suggested topics related to new trends in agriculture. Apart from these activities, some more programs has also been organized, such as workshop on International Millet Year 2023, Kisan Mela, and field inspection and diagnosis on major disease of field crop, vegetables and fruit, etc. And now I would like to call one of my group members for the presentation on market survey. Thank you.